Mr. Foods here, and this is what I've done. Marinated chicken, peri-peri and honey. I'll show you how I do it. And that's me on peri-peri chicken with some cheese sauce on it. Oh, that is nice, and it's really fucking hot on my hands. Woohoo! Jesus! Let's give it a lovely try for you lot. A bit better than mouth off. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's really beautiful. That chicken. Let's give this chicken a try. Let's get a small piece so I don't burn my chops off right now. That is nice. I'll be doing that one again. Don't forget, give it a try, and like and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok. Mr. Foods out.